This apartment about to show you can earn you an average of 15 million naira every single year. Freeze, let me explain to you what I mean. If you get this apartment, you can be earning an average of 50,000 naira every single day. That is about 9 million naira every single month for a 2-bedroom apartment if you put it under the shortlet market. If you get the 3-bedroom apartment, you can be earning an average of 85,000 naira every single day. That's about 15 million naira if you put the 3-bedroom apartment in shortlet market. Can you see the money? Can you see how you can earn more? I will explain to you better. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, so I don't miss offers like this, juicy offer like this, subscribe now so I don't miss any of my video. This is a 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom residential apartment designed exclusively for Royale Elites like you that truly deserve a kingly lifestyle. The best time to invest in real estate is now, because the current dollar exchange rate is favorable to you, especially if you are in abroad. Where this apartment is located is at the peak where shortlet apartments are booming. Can you see the opportunity I'm showing you? Each apartment is incorporated with a spacious, distinctive design with modern innovation to create home with unique setting of living that can improve your quality of life. Some of the features that come with this estate include the fitness gym, the solar system for all apartments, 24 hours, low horsepower, central power generation, central sewage system, CCT camera, apartment intercom, fiber optic internet cable, water treatment plant, tight security, all rooms are in suite, M10 fitting, ample car space, and good road network. Imagine you having an apartment like this that generates money to you every single day. Wouldn't you like to get it? If I'm in your shoe, I would just grab it instantly, because this opportunity will make me make more money, and this is new. This is in vogue in Nigeria. So how do you get this apartment? How do you own one? A 2-bed apartment is going for 55 million naira and it's come with PQ, while the 3-bed apartment is going for 85 million naira and it also come with PQ. This is so massive. This is wow. This will make you to start earning extra and more money, make you earn more money instantly. This is a new project which, if you can tap in now, you make more money. So with a 15 million deposit, you can spread the payment in 6 months, then even in 1 year. So call me, let me bring you to this estate. I want you to start earning more money. My aim is to give you property that I know will appreciate very, very fast. If you are in Nigeria, you can call my Nigerian number, this number you see on the screen. If you are in US, you can call our US number, which you have on the screen. Just call and let's talk business. Let me help you out. I want to help you out. I want to work with you. I want you to get this apartment because I know you'll make serious money if you get this apartment. My name is N15 once again, and thank you for always coming to my channel.